Hey guys, what's up today? Today I will be making a Lego fidget spinner. So you take 4 of these and see what you do is you stick 4 of them on one of these round things like this, and you take another one, put it like this, so you should have this. Then take 2 of these. I just happen to have a gray one and a red one. That's my grandma talking. She's over here babysitting my little brother. So you have this so far. Then take 2 of these, put one on the top and one at the bottom. Take one of these flat rounds, put it on the top. You take this, the other thing with bumps, and you put it right there. And there you go, guys. Like a fidget spinner. There's a spin as well, because my first attempt was to hot glue it, and that slowed down one of these. But my second attempt was to tape it together, and that was all sorts of wrong. But here you go, guys. Lego fidget spinner. See you later. Make sure to subscribe below, hit the bell, make sure you get notified every time I get a new video, and send a link below. Thanks guys. Bye.